Okay, this video here, it's supposed to help you with your next exercise, which is order of operations, and also very important in introduction to algebra. Anyway, we want to add and subtract integers. Okay, so if we have a negative number, okay, so what is simple enough is if you have 3 plus 5, and when you're adding, you count to the right, right? So that's easy. Okay, what if you have a negative number like negative 3 degrees and then it says minus 5 degrees? See, negative, when you're subtracting, you go to the left, you count 5. So you see, you end up negative 8. So when you have negative 5 minus, okay, this positive number is the same as negative of 3 plus 5, and you get negative 8. Okay, so just look at it. Two positive numbers add up, you get 8. And then a negative number minus a 5, you get negative 8. Okay. What if you have negative 3 plus 8? So you have a negative number, you're adding, this is a positive number. What I suggest you do is write your positive number first, plus 5, and then you bring your negative number. What is that? This is equal to 5 minus 3. This is equal to 2. Okay. The next one, you have a negative number, right? If you do this on the number line, it's negative 3, and then you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You end up here. But do it this way. Write your positive number first and your negative number second. What if you have negative 5 plus 3? Again, write your positive number first. 3. What else? Bring your negative number second. Now you see you're subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. So if 5 minus 3 equals 2, then 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. And you can do that on the number line, right? If you go to your number line, you can tell it is negative 3, negative 5 plus 2, negative 5 plus 3, negative 5 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. You end up negative 2. But, okay, all you do always just write your positive number first, plus 3, this is plus 3, minus 5, negative 2. Okay, so now look at this one right here, and then this one right here. You have negative 3 minus 5, and now this one you have negative 3. Whenever you have negative number minus a negative number again, see this? Negative and another negative following, join it, it becomes a plus. So negative 3 minus negative 5 is the same as negative 3 plus 5. And what did I tell you? Write your positive number first. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay. Negative 5 minus 3. You got two negative numbers. Or we have a negative number subtracting 3 is negative of 5 plus 3. Okay. Is the same as negative 8. So I need you to pause the video, review all these. What is negative 5 plus 3? What do? You write your positive number first, 3. Bring your negative number next. Since 5 minus 3 equals 2, 3 minus 5 will be negative 2. All right, so try it. I want you to try it. Review everything I've said, understand it, look at the answers, and then come and practice with all these. Okay? Okay, answer first before you watch the rest. So here are your answers. This is 11. This is negative 11. This is, I write my positive number first. 7 minus 4 equals 3. I write my positive number first. 4 minus 7 7 minus 4 equals 3, so 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Negative 4 minus, and then I make it a plus, it becomes negative 4 plus 7. I write 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, this is negative of what? 7 plus 4, negative 11. And I write my positive number first, always. 4 minus 7 equals what? 7 minus 4 equals 3. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. Okay, so now what do we have? 3 or more. 3 or more, okay, you can group them. So we have 4 plus 4. You can do these first and then that next. How do you do that? Okay, so 4 plus 4, you get 8. And you remember, negative 1 minus 17, what is that? This is negative what? 18. So it's 8 minus 18. Okay, positive. So you see 18 minus 8 equals 10. So if the smaller number is first, you're going to get what? Negative 10. What about 19? This is 0 plus 0 equals 0. Negative 2 plus 17. So we do 2 at a time. Negative 2 plus 17. What did I tell you? I said write your positive number first. 17 minus 2. So this part here is 15. And then you bring the last part minus 1. 14. Okay. Again here, do 2 at a time. 2. Right? Write your positive number first. 8. Bring your negative. So this part here is 2. And then come over here. What is negative 9 plus 12? Write your positive number first, right? Becomes 12 minus 9. So this part here equals plus 3. It's positive 3. The whole thing is fine. Or you could have said, I want to group all my negative numbers first. So negative 6, and I bring negative 9, and then I can do positive 8 plus 12. This is what? Negative 17 plus 20. All right. 8, 2, 3. Negative is 20. Oh, no. So negative, sorry. It's negative 15, which is 20 minus 15 equals 5. Okay. Let's do some multiplication. I have a positive number times a negative number will give me a negative number. Positive times a negative or negative times positive will get me a negative. If I have two negatives, negative times negative is the same as 3 times 2. Okay, so 2 negative numbers gives me a positive number. The same way, if I want to divide, I'll get negative number over a positive number. I'll get negative 3, but 2 negatives will get me a positive. Okay, are you with me? So now I need you to go and practice all these exercises on IXL, 6th grade, and 1, 2, and 13. Practice all that, master it, okay? All right, if you have any questions, so pause the video, review everything, redo all the questions until you get it right, okay? All right, you need to master this before you do the next exercises. All right, have a good day. Keep on practicing.